Good morning, job order for today's meron tayong Toyota Avanza at magpapalit tayo ng ignition coil, guys. Ito, genuine, kinabit natin kasi may problema na tong coil nya. Dati ito yung bago, guys. Ito yung kakabit natin dito. Right. Ang issue nito, guys, is palyado siya, rough idling. So may nakita kami sa ignition coil, kaya nirecommend namin na palitan. So hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang lahat, guys, kasi troubleshooting to. Check muna natin yung bago. Saan na ba yun? Isang coil lang may problema to, guys. Yung isa goods yan. Right. On daw. On. Start. Lo. Wala yung check engine, oh. Baka goods na to. Check natin dito, guys. Alright, goods na goods. Oh, hindi na siya pumapalya dati-rati. Malakas ang palya nito, guys, para nagbabibrate yung makina. Ito normal na. Tapos dito sa dashboard nawala na yung check engine. Off the off. On. So pansinin nyo ito, guys. Ito yung check engine.
Yung sign ng pitaka, guys.
Sign ng pitaka. Pag i-start natin to na nawala, ibig sabihin goods yan. I-start. Alright.
One kick, guys.
One kick, guys. That's it. Good morning.